Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the 5 best multi-cookers in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these multi-cookers you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Chef IQ Smart Cooker. We love the Chef IQ Smart Cooker for its gorgeous build and customizable cook functions. You can dictate almost all aspects of each setting. For example, its ferment function allows you to adjust the fermentation temperature, making it more versatile than the Instant Pot's yogurt function. Designed for chefs by chefs, this pressure cooker offers some small but impactful details. It has a built-in tare function, so you can weigh ingredients directly into the pot and minimize dishes from building up in the sink. It also displays exactly how much pressure is building up in the cooker. This way, anxious cooks can more accurately estimate how long it'll take until dinner is ready. Plus, you can choose when and how pressure is released after cooking. So if you opt for immediate quick release, the cooker will automatically beep to let you know it's about to release pressure on its own. This pressure cooker also connects easily to the Chef IQ app, which is beautifully designed and full of recipes and tips. It's not required to sync the two before use, so you can add on the app at any point. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. Perhaps a direct response to its competing Ninja Foodi, this Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid promises 13 different cooking functions under a singular lid. It boasts a wide range of tasks, including bread proofing, sous vide, and roasting, along with the staple pressure cooking and slow cooking functions. Although its functionality and convenience has definitely improved from the previous Duo Crisp model, we still encountered a range of issues with this machine. First, the provided yogurt function doesn't work. We tried a recipe directly from the Instant app twice, and both times, it resulted in warm, clumpy milk in place of actual yogurt. The air fryer function also disappointed us during testing. Fried chicken thighs were unevenly browned, with the tops crispy and bottoms slightly mushy. And since there's no air fryer basket included, it would be difficult to get even airflow for crisping large batches of food. Breville BPR 700 Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker. We were honestly disappointed by the Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker. While it was a favorite out of the box due to the beautiful, easy-to-use interface, multitude of smart programs, and attached lid, it ultimately fell toward the bottom of the pack. We had to consult the manual while making the soup, ultimately ending up with tougher vegetables than the recipe indicated. And despite a seemingly endless array of cooking options, there was no yogurt function at all. Unlike the Ninja multi-cooker, we were unable to produce yogurt with the functions that were available. In a similar vein, we loved the idea of an attached lid, but the reality was rather frustrating. It took twisting the lid a very particular way to get it to close, which we could never seem to get right on the first or even third try. On the positive side, the interface and recipe options were phenomenal. Similar to the Instant Pot Ultra, the scroll-through interface was easy to use and offered a lot of cooking options. Ninja Foodi OL 701. The latest model of the Foodi takes all the fantastic functionality of the previous 2-lid model and makes it better, all under one lid. It features 14 different cooking functions, from commonplace pressure cooking and air frying to more advanced bread proofing and sous vide. We especially love the steam and crisp function, which can be used to whip up full meals all at the same time. This model also features a smart thermometer, which can be used to automatically cook protein according to desired doneness. Just insert the probe, decide how well you'd like your meat cooked, and the Foodi does the rest. The provided booklet does fall short, though. The instructions are lacking, leading to initial confusion upon setup, and some of the provided recipes were underwhelming. The risotto was overcooked and lacking flavor, while the crusty bread was underbaked. Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 has 14 plus functions, including steam, sterilize, and cake. But if you start to feel overwhelmed, you can always Google your question and come away with an avalanche of blog posts, Facebook forums, and YouTube videos to guide your way. The reason there's a large online community around this gadget is that it works like a charm. The soup we cooked tasted like grandma's, the risotto was delightfully creamy, and the yogurt turned out tangy and bright. The sterilize function was also a great bonus, helpful for preparing the pot to make yogurt. While it wasn't as intuitive as I would have liked, and the lid occasionally tripped me up, I have a feeling this instant pot could still edge out your current slow cooker or your rice cooker. If you're looking for a comprehensive instant pot with a longer history and larger user base than the smart Wi-Fi, this is your best bet.